Oh, I thought you'd never ask. 4 of Benjamin's 5 points go hand in hand in hand in hand, while the 5th is nothing more than a ridiculous lie. We can begin with the 1350 myth, which asserts that 50% of the violent crime in the United States is committed by black people, who represent just 13% of the population. This, of course, is false. Black people actually constitute 50% of the arrests for violent crime, because as it turns out, black people are 5 times more likely to be arrested, 6 times more likely to be convicted, 50% more likely to be wrongfully convicted, and sentenced to 20% more prison time than white people who commit the same crimes. All of this while more than 54% of all violent crimes remain unsolved, including 38% of all murders, 48% of all assaults, and more than 67% of all reported rapes. Black people do not commit more crime, but rather they are disproportionately over-policed, which has led to a massive increase in the number of incarcerated black men, today more than 330% the proportion in 1960. When black men are incarcerated at such historic numbers, that leaves their wives and girlfriends to raise their children in single-mother households, which have increased to 64% as of 2019. And children raised in single-parent households are statistically less likely to graduate high school and attend college for obvious economic reasons. Now, if you find yourself wondering why black people are over-policed in the first place, it's because the 13th Amendment established that slavery is still a legal punishment for crime in the United States today, coupled with the fact that modern policing emerged from the slave patrols of the antebellum period. Slavery was never abolished in the United States. It just got rebranded.